Hi there, this is Nicole. Today we are going to make some steamed buns with whole wheat flour. First of all, add 200 g of warm water. Then add 4 g of yeast into it. Mix them until the yeast melted. Make sure the temperature of the warm water is not too high to kill the yeast. 150 g of plain flour. And then 150 g of whole wheat flour, 20 g of brown sugar that I forget to foam. Mix them together quickly until you see them looks like that. You can start kneading the dough. Instead of baking, the bread are able to absorb more water from the steaming. Even we didn't add any oil, they will still be soft and delicious. We are going to do a low temperature fermentation in the refrigerator for the night, so a 5-minute kneading is enough. Just like this. Cover it, put to the refrigerator overnight. The next day, take the dough out. Another 2 hours room temperature fermentation. Finally, we can touch the dough again. In order to get rid of the sourness from the long-term fermentation, we will mix some dietary alkaline water into the dough. The recipe of how to make the dietary alkaline water I'll put in the information box below. Now we add another 150 g of plain flour and mix them with the dough. I think this is the most difficult time during the whole process because you will doubt that why my dough is already so dry but still have lots of flour in the bowl. But just keep kneading it until you can't see any dry flour in the bowl. It takes you around 8 to 15 minutes. Take it out. You will still see some dry dots in the dough, but it doesn't matter. We separate it into two. Take one of them and continue to knead it. One direction, one press, and then turn. Another press, turn, press. Repeat this process until you find that the dry dots inside the dough disappeared and the dough becomes smoother and smoother. I think it will take you around 3 minutes each to make them smooth. Now I'm going to separate them into little doughs, 4 each, 8 in total. We put 7 of them back to the bowl and cover it in case it will dry out really quickly. And take one of it, turn and press, turn and press. Put the edge into the middle and press until the dough becomes very smooth. And finish 8 of them and put them in order. Then we take the first one that we made and do the last step to make it into a bun. Look at what I did. Hold one side, keep the shape and press the other side. Try to make it round. Fold the edge on the bottom and shape it. Make it like a ball. And one by one until you finish 8 of them. Now we can continue to the next step. Slightly brush some vegetable oil on the steaming rack. Put the buns on. Ferment it for another hour without the cap on. The skin of the buns will go harder during this process. They will support the buns while steaming, so after the buns cooked, they will still have good round shapes. Turn on the element, high heat, cap on. Start steaming them with cool water. When the steam came out, turn it down to the medium-low heat and steam for another 25 minutes. Turn off the element and wait till the steamer cools down a little bit. You get the beautiful, yummy steamed buns. Yay! This is the first time I do food making videos. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye!